guys, it's your girl Renee, and I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. In here in Virginia, it's beautiful outside, but it's a little chilly outside. So today's video is going to be about my garden sign. Remember I told you that I was going to be making a sign for my bell pepper lane, and I want to add a little bit of a decorative touch to my garden. And as you walk through my garden, I want it to be like a little areas where you can stop and have a conversation about whatever's growing in that particular area. Well, I made my first sign and I wanted to share that sign with you. So here it is. Are you guys ready? Here you go. It says Bell Pepper Lane. I did some stenciling of some leaves on the side, and then I tried to draw some red bell pepper and a green bell pepper, but this is what it looks like. So I'm going to have this sign. And then when I went to the Dollar General, remember I told you I found these stakes, and they were for $1 each, so I brought 4 of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this onto this stake, and it's going to look like this in my garden. But this is the sign I made for Bell Pepper Lane. I'm so excited, and I'm going to make a few other signs, and they will usher you in the direction of all the fabulous vegetables that I will be growing in my garden this year. So I wanted to bring this to you and say I finished it. It is done. 1 sign down, 10 more to go. So I will be doing some painting later on today to add to the signs. I don't know, I think I may do different colors, so it'll be a colorful little added accessory to my garden. But I also promised you when I came to show you my sign that's going to be going in my garden that I will let you guys know how many of those 20-cent seeds I brought that day. Are you guys ready for the number? I saw a lot of you guys had guesses. Some said 20, some said 35, some said 45. You guys were close. The actual number of these seeds that I purchased from Walmart yesterday, the number was, drumroll, 42. Yep, I brought 42 of these 20-cent seeds. So I think Miss Renee will be pretty set for this gardening season. So if you said 42, you were correct. I'm so proud of you. And throughout my videos, you know, I'll do these little games and stuff with you just to have an added little flair to my videos. So, and the next thing I wanted to do is that you guys know that I was working on redesigning my deck. And this is the particular rug that I purchased with all these fabulous colors. And I have been picking up pots and accessories to go along with my redesign. So I ordered some pots. So I figured I would bring you in on the unboxing of these little planters that I purchased. So let me bring you on down so you can see exactly what I'm doing. You can see that. All right. So this one, they're supposed to be whiskey barrel planters. So let's open them and see if they will go with the redesign of my deck. So let's open it up. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I love opening up boxes. It's like Christmas morning, or it's a surprise. Now keep in mind, these are the colors that we're trying to match. These colors right here. So let's see. Move this one out of the way. Take the plastic off. this is what the inside looks like, and this is what the outside looks like. So I think, because they have this mustardy yellow color right here, and I think that would be the perfect match with this rug. What do you guys think? You think that's a good match for this rug? And it is not wood, it's plastic. And I love that it has the detailing of the whiskey barrel that makes it look like actual wood when it's not. And I love that it has the color of yellow inside, and it also has the drain holes already drilled in the bottom for me. So that's one. Let's see what the second one looks like. Move this up the way. Let's bring this in here. And let's see box number 2. Box number 2, you guys. Let's see. All right, let's see. And this one was supposed to be a blue one, like a navy blue, so we shall see. I don't know if this looks like a, well, it kind of looks like a navy blue. Let's take the plastic off. And let's see. And this is what it looks like in the inside. This is another one that has the wood grain, but it's supposed to be a navy blue. Now the test will be when I put my swatch up to here to see if the colors will go. Ooh, I think that is going to be a perfect match. Yes, I really, really like this one. Maybe I should have got 2 of these, but I was trying to alternate them between this one and this one. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think these would be a good match for this rug that I'm trying to go for? Let me tilt them up like this. Hold them like this. And then this, look at the sampling of the rug again. See, I was going for the yellow right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that yellow right there, I was trying to go for it with this. But I know this one is a perfect match. Down in the description box, let me know which one you guys like the best. Do you like this blue one, supposed to be this dark navy blue, or do you like the yellow? Because I thought with the rug being on the deck, and I have these 2 filled with my plants, and have them, you know, on this rug, I thought this would give it such a, like a decorative, elegant type of style. I'm so excited. I can't wait till I can actually get out there and start putting this all together. And I got this this rug from Better Homes and Garden. You guys saw me when I took you with me and purchased this at Walmart. And these, I brought them off of QVC. So, you know, I'm a Q girl every once in a while. And always at the beginning of their gardening season, they always have cool things. So, yep. So, let me know down in the comments which one you like better. You like the navy blue, or do you like the yellow? I like both of them, because I'm thinking, you know, alternating, and plus with all those other pots that I purchased from the Dollar General and also the dollar store, I think, oh, and also Home Depot. Remember when I told you guys to run to Home Depot and get all those fabulous pots? So I think I'm set on pots. Now I just have to bring my other accessories in. And as soon as they are delivered, you know I'll come back and we'll have another unboxing of Renee's added accessories for her redesign of her deck of 2021. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me letting you know what my garden sign was going to look like. So I've got some more painting to do and having a little fun with you on telling you how many of these 20-cent seeds that I purchased. 42. So, and if I As soon as my other mails comes in, we'll have another unboxing. If you guys like to see more videos on unboxing of gardening things or other accessories that I plan to put in my garden this year, let me know down in the comments and I will include these. All right, guys, I hope you are having a wonderful day. I hope you are having a blessed day. And let me bring you see me. So if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like the content of this video, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when I'm having another video coming your way. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to let me know which one you like, the navy blue or the yellow. Okay? So excited. It's getting close to where I can start filling these bad boys up with flowers and vegetables. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.